Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into an important topic for anyone applying for a Canadian visa, 20 common reasons for visa refusal and how to avoid them. I'll also share some real-life examples to make this more engaging. Let's get started. 1. Insufficient proof of funds. One of the most common reasons for visa refusal is failing to show enough financial resources to support your stay in Canada. For instance, a student visa applicant for Toronto might need to demonstrate access to around CAD 25,000 for tuition and living expenses. If your financial documents don't meet this requirement or seem inconsistent, your visa may be rejected. Ensure you provide accurate, up-to-date bank statements showing a stable source of funds. 2. Questionable source of funds. A sudden large deposit into your account can raise suspicions. If you've recently acquired a significant amount of money, make sure you can prove its origin with proper documentation. The immigration officer will want to ensure that your funds are legitimate. 3. Lack of travel history. If you're applying for a tourist visa and haven't traveled outside your home country, this can weaken your case. A positive travel history, especially to countries like the USA or Europe, can boost your chances. 4. Weak employment prospects in home country. Applicants from countries with lower economic prospects may face higher scrutiny. Immigration officers might worry that you won't return home after your visit. Providing a letter from your employer stating you have a stable job waiting for you is one way to address this. 5. Missing or incomplete documents. Forget to submit an important document like an employment contract or bank statement. Your visa will likely be denied. Always double-check the checklist and ensure all your paperwork is accurate and complete. 6. Unemployed at time of application. If you're unemployed, the officer may question how you plan to support yourself during your stay in Canada. It's essential to show any alternative sources of income or future employment. 7. No strong family ties in home country. Having no immediate family in your home country can signal to immigration officials that you may not have strong reasons to return. Providing proof of family, property, or investments in your home country can help. 8. Duration of stay doesn't match financial capability. If you're planning to stay in Canada for an extended period, such as 6 months, you need to show you have enough funds to support yourself. A tourist staying that long might need to prove access to at least CAD $10,000. 9. Unclear purpose of visit. If you state you're visiting for a conference but don't provide detailed information like event schedules or invitations, your purpose may be doubted. Always provide clear and specific reasons for your visit. 10. Falsified documents. Submitting fake documents is a quick way to get banned from reapplying for a Canadian visa. For example, providing a false bank statement can lead to a multi-year ban. 11. History of visa overstays or deportations. If you've overstayed a visa in another country, like the USA, this could impact your chances with Canada. Always be transparent about your travel history and provide documentation showing compliance with visa regulations. 12. Illegal status in current country of residence. If you're living illegally in your current country of residence, Canadian authorities will likely refuse your visa. Make sure to resolve any legal status issues before applying. 13. Failure to meet health standards. If you have a contagious disease or a health condition that could place a burden on Canada's healthcare system, your visa may be denied. A medical examination may be required for certain visa categories. 14. Visa officer's discretion. Sometimes, a visa refusal comes down to the officer's discretion. If your intent seems unclear or your story inconsistent, the officer may refuse your application. Being honest and detailed in your application can prevent this. 15. Misrepresentation. Lying about your marital status or failing to disclose previous visa refusals will not only result in a denial, but may also lead to a ban from reapplying for up to 5 years. 16. Human rights concerns. If you've served in the military or participated in a regime accused of human rights violations, additional documentation will be required to show you weren't involved in illegal activities. 17. Poor financial status of your Canadian host. If you're staying with a friend in Canada, their financial situation matters too. If they can't prove they can support you, your application might be refused. 18. Past criminal record. A criminal record can severely affect your visa chances, but lesser offenses from years ago might still be accepted with proper documentation. 19. Inadequate travel documents. Expired or inaccurate documents like passports or visas can lead to immediate rejection. Ensure your travel and identity documents are correct and up to date. 20. Using unregulated immigration consultants. Using an unlicensed immigration consultant could lead to a refusal. Always ensure your immigration consultant is accredited. Understanding these common reasons for Canadian visa refusals will help you prepare a stronger, more reliable application. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Canadian visa application.